Good evening, everybody. So my name is GT. People call me GTDrumz, and I want to especially thank Minister Julie, my mentor. She has been amazing, and thank you for the privilege, ma, and thank you for everybody that are around. By the grace of God, this year will be my 8th year with White Worship Commission, and God has been faithful. God has been good to me, and I just want to thank Mommy once again and all the team members for this privilege. So in 15 minutes, I'm going to be playing some song. She asked for a song, so I'm dedicating a song to her mama, Days of Elijah, by, I don't know. So I'll do my performance. I just need you to open your heart, even though you don't understand what I'm going to do, but just open your heart. The blessings of God is going to flow. God has promised that wherever I minister, the sound that you hear is being transformed into so many things that's going to be a healing to you. So when you are enjoying the groove, just open your heart to receive from God. Thank you.